Okay, today's purpose of the video lesson is to clean up some miscellaneous stuff that's happening in 4.2. Part 1, just a preview, we're going to convert degrees to a different form of measurement. It's called degrees, minutes, seconds. That's going to be part 1. Part 2, and the only other part, is going to be arc length and area of a sector. And I want to make sure you know that you do not have to memorize these formulas. I'm going to give you these formulas on tests and quizzes. I am not giving you guidance on how to do this conversion because part 1 is a calculator activity. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. So we are going to have degrees in decimal form. Notice there's partial degrees right here, and we're going to convert it into degrees, minutes, and seconds. I know that sounds weird, but this conversion serves a purpose. It gives a higher precision of angle measures in fields like astronomy and navigation. So we do need to be comfortable. We do need to have exposure to it. Okay, so easy. We're going to find this in degree, minute, second form. Notice the little symbols that I highlighted. So you're going to look for this key on the calculator, which is right here. Notice it's not in yellow. You do not hit the second function. So let me turn this on. You just go ahead and type the degrees first. So 56.735. And then we're going to hit this button. And it's kind of a hidden feature. We're going to arrow past, and then it's going to, voila, appear on your screen, and it's asking if you want it to be converted to degrees, minutes, seconds, and we do. So I'm going to hit enter one more time, and that right there is the answer. So this decimal degree in degree, minute, second form, make sure you use the symbols also, is 56 degrees, 44 minutes, and 6 seconds. That's it. So remember, you put the angle first, then you pull this up, then you scroll over, kind of a little hidden feature there. So that's how you're going to do that when it's a decimal. Now I'm also going to go ahead and give you one when it is in decimal, minute, second form. To enter in that, we're just going to follow these symbols. If you notice the degree, the tick mark, and the double tick mark, that's already on this key right here. So here's how we're going to do this to convert it back to decimal degree. I'm going to go ahead and clear my work here. I'm going to type 32. Then I'm going to hit the the degree, minute, second button. And I want my first number to have a degree. So I'm going to leave the cursor where it is, hit enter. Oh, well, I didn't hit enter. Hold on. Let me just redo that. Enter. There we go. You should have a degree symbol. So you're going to make the 32 have one of those. Now we're going to type the number 5, hit the same button, arrow over, and hit enter. So you're going to make the 5 have the first tick mark. That stands for minutes. Now let's type 28 and arrow over after you hit the degree button. And now your 28 is going to have double tick marks, which is seconds. Now just make sure it looks like that. Hit enter one more time. And voila, that is your regular degree decimal form, which is pretty much what we're used to in this class. There's no rounding directions. So remember, when there's no rounding directions, we always round to the hundredths. And that is just all you do. So remember, if you have one form or the other, you need to look for this button. Now remember, if they want it in DMS form, you're going to have to scroll over to that hidden feature. If it is in degree, minute, second form and you need to convert it, you're just going to type those numbers in and highlight the symbol that goes with each one of those numbers and then hit enter. Pretty straightforward. That's part 1.